Hello! I know it's been a while, but you know we had to do it. Every year we unbox the new iPhone, and this year is no different. So we are here with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Literally just got it and haven't opened the seals or anything. So let's do it. So satisfying. So satisfying. Oh yeah. The reveal. Ah. I got it in the Desert Titanium. That was their special color this year. I am more of a blue girl, but they didn't have that option in the Pro Max this year, so... But this is beautiful, and it will match my watch a little better. Woo-wee! Alright, let's check out the things in the box, shall we? Of course, the phone. And the cord! They've braided these cords now, so they work a little better and are stronger in my opinion. And of course, USB-C is the go-to now for the iPhone. This one's gonna be the same. Yep. USB-C. It's nice because there's a lot more of these chargers around, I feel like. And of course, our little booklet. It's shaped all cute and stuff. All that important stuff. Yes, right there. Okay. Here we have the 15 Pro Max in comparison to the 16 Pro Max. Again, I love this blue color. So pretty, but this one is very nice too. Here is what they look like from the side. Sorry, this one's a little dirty. Obviously, been using it. This button down here looks a little different. Here's the other side for comparison. Looks pretty similar. And there are our lenses. Honestly, side by side, they do look pretty similar. Not gonna lie. But I hear the camera on this new one is superb, so of course that's why I upgrade every year for the camera. Now I know what you really want to see is this bad boy coming off here. I got a clear case for it, so I'm gonna toss it in here for protection. Make sure this fits okay. Ugh, perfect fit. Just a clear, simple case. Voila, beautiful shimmering light in the reflection. There you have it, boys and girls. iPhone 16 Pro Max in all of her glory. Can't wait to test her out, play around with these new features and camera, of course. Let me know if you have upgraded this year and what phone you got.